Hi, we are from C23 PS220 would like to present our project capstone called SkinMate. But first, let me introduce our team. From the machine learning, we got Muhammad Salsabila, Rizky, Prasetya, and Ibnu, Zahy, Atha, Illah, who created the model of the machine learning to process the data using image processing. From the mobile development, there is myself, Salman, Rausyan, Fikri, and Miftakun, Niam, who created the design for the UI UX, build the app, and implement the machine learning using Android Studio based Kotlin. From the cloud computing, we got Fari, Yudha, and Muhammad Yuzzaf Ibrahim, who created the Firebase to save the authentication user and maintenance the Firebase. We got 5 background problems for our project capstone. The first is difficulty in identifying skin problems, lack of knowledge about treatment steps, confusing due to various skin condition, financial and time constraint for dermatologist visits, and needs for an accessible and efficient solution.
And next is the reason. Against the background of the problems, we create the SkinMate application to provide the right treatment recommendation. There are 3 points. The first is broad accessibility. Second, valuable knowledge. Third, the ability to monitor skin developments, thereby providing practical, accurate, and affordable solution for better skincare. It is hoped that many people can overcome their skin problems. From the problem that have been described, we provide a solution, namely by making an application called SkinMate. SkinMate itself is an application with image processing technology to help people identify a skin disease and provide the best solution to prevent it. We have found other applications they are used as comparison. In other application, only focus on the market, and in the application we are developing, we add article feature and identify disease using the scan image processing features so that user will know and find the best prevention for the analysis disease.
Our target market user is we are targeting a user from age ranging from 20 to 40 from any background, whatever background they are, and people who have hobbies like skincare enthusiasts, health and wellness advocate.
Okay, the infrastructure of use machine learning is utilizing TensorFlow and TensorFlow Lite to convert the model. Conversion need to be done so that it can be deployed by cloud computing and mobile development engineers. Okay, the dataset used is sourced from Kaggle with the name Dermat dataset. The dataset has 23 categories, but we only use 5 of them. Okay, the model architecture was built using CNN and MobileNet V2. At the end of the layer, we add the flattened dense dropouts, which are the same time adjust to the model category we want to classify. In this case, there are 5 categories.
Okay, this is a graph of the result of the training and model validation of the dataset. From the result of the training, the accuracy is above 90%, and the accuracy validation is above 80%.
Okay, next, and furthermore, for the development tools, we use the Android Studio software as a box editor with Kotlin as the programming language and Firebase for login or second authentication. And next, I will explain the big picture of the brief appearance of this application. There are 6 views here. There is a splash screen, and there is a screen display, both sign-in and login page. That is the home view. There is a banner and blog a news feature regarding skin health, and user can also continue reading what has been read before. And then the scan display. There are 2 options to continue the scan. Namely, there is a choice for the camera directly or take a picture from the gallery. And then more or less the data reader display is like this. And the last step, the user will be able to immediately see the result of the disease scan along with a description and drug recommendations.
Our infrastructure is built on top of Firebase infrastructure. First of all, we use Cloud Firestore as our database. And for our backend service, we are using Firebase Cloud Function. In Firebase Cloud Function, we create a several trigger. Like when a user upload a new profile picture, it will trigger a function on the Cloud Function. The next one is our documentation and deployment. For the development process, we are using GitHub to do collaboration on our team. We are making a separate directory for each learning path, like cloud computing, machine learning, and mobile development have their own path to put their project to combine later on. And then we are using Firebase console to manage our project on the Firebase. Okay. Our milestone is on July until August. We will refine market feature, add more plan data, and API service improvement. Next, on September, we will do beta testing and evaluation on the beta testing result. And on October, we will do feature improvement, API monitoring, and maintenance of the service. On November, we will release our application to the Play Store and do some API service monitoring and maintenance.
Okay, budgeting budgeting one with a total $5,000 team salary preparation 30% budget 1,500 US dollar research or operational proportion 70% budget 3,500 US dollar and total proportion 100% budget 5,000 US dollar. Okay, budgeting 2 with a total 10,000 US dollar category. All aspect from budgeting 1 proportion 50% budget 50,000 additional team salary proportion 10% budget $1,000 additional research and operational budget proportion 5% budget is US dollar 500 marketing and sales 7.5% budget 750 US dollar market research and competitive analysis 7.5% budget 750 US dollar feature development proportion 10% budget 1,000 US dollar other expense proportion 10% budget in US dollar is 1,000 US dollar and total proportion is 100% and budget in US dollar is 10,000 US dollar. Okay, and thank you.